Annyeong, good morning guys. And we're here again for another patch note na it was done last May 14. So sorry kung konti lang yung update natin and medyo busy tayo IRL. Yon. For the patch note, currently reset. So nasa ano ko. Nag-guild order ako for regular dungeon. I'm finishing Land of Prosperity. Area 2. I'm at Area 2. Yan nyo na. Yan nyo na yung character ko dyan. Background na lang muna natin siya. So for now, let's discuss all about the patch note. Medyo interesting yung patch note ngayon. For the main updates, we have new events added, outfit system added, scheduler system added, enemy guild system added, and spell fusion 6 and 8 added. So, yun. For the update details sa events na na-add is, alam na natin yan. Nightcrow 7-day check-in, Spell Infusion support check-in, Elite 7, Guild support event, enhancement order event for the gear, Distinction Insignia Gain Boost event. Recently, or before yesterday, nagkaroon ng reset ng Insignia. Kaya siguro merong Insignia boost for this round. So, yon. And we do have 3 new season pass, Crow Crafting Pass, Nightcrow's Claw Talisman Pass, and Nightcrow's Feather Brooch Pass. So, yun. Itong pinaka-exciting para sa akin is yung outfit system added. Meron attributes added itong outfit. Pwedeng style din or pwedeng yung effect ng outfit yung i-apply mo sa character mo. And syempre, chance ulit siya, draw ulit siya. So yun. Scheduler system added. Hunt in fields of the Principality of New Trieste and in normal dungeons in East. Unlock at level 40. Scheduler cannot be used for Battlefront and Special Dungeon. Scheduler, it uses gold. So, kailangan medyo kayo sa gold kung gagamitin nyo to. Ito, enemy guild system. You can set guilds as enemy for guilds within the server. So, ang nakakapag check niyan or assign niyan is the guild leader, or if the guild leader grants access to deputy guild leader under or through manage button, they can also set that. Guilds that are level 5 and below can register up to 3 guilds, whereas guilds that are level 6 can register up to 5 enemy guilds. So, yun. Magrambo lang kayo dyan. The second season of Battlefront will begin. Battle Merchant wares are also been updated. So, yun. From May 15th hanggang July 9th, merong update sa Battlefront Merchant. Yung Conqueror's Token 2, bound yun. Def 3, dual damage 3 yung effect. Throughout the second season of the Battlefront. Then, Spell Infusion, level stage 7 for level 53, cost nun 450 gold. Stage 8, level 54, 600 gold. Yung infusion, yung nire-reset natin parang enchant or enhance. Enchant sa ibang game natin sa mga gears natin. Ito pa isa, pop-up products that have to do with the Nightcrow's Guild or Nightcrow's Gear will be added. Nightcrow's Gear sale period May 14th up until the May 28th before the update. Purchase requirements, successfully enhanced Nightcrow's Gear to +2, +4, and +5. So may hint na tayo, after May 28, may patch ulit or may update. We don't know if it's maintenance related update or an update na background lang. Spell infusion, sale period, indefinite. Purchase attempt, spell infusion 150 times, 200 times, and 250 times. The spell infusion count for the purchase requirement will begin after the May 14th update. So, yun. Ang mga update natin for the May 14 patch. Currently, kung nagtatanong kayo ng update ng aking character, ng mahiwaga kong character na oo, sige. Teka, pakita na natin. Let me show you the update. Punta tayo dito sa yan. Yan na yung ating character. Lumipat ako ng LOP1 kasi wala akong malut. So, yun. Currently, teka lang, kuha lang tayong guild order. Sayang yung kills niya. Malas. Pag wala, ayun, regular lang. Sayang kasi yung kills niya. Meron pa akong 26 minutes. Uy, may loot. Ay, hindi. Diba? Nakakatatlo na ako sa LOP1 pa lang. Currently, my character is super slow. I was sick for the last week and hindi ko siya masyadong naintindi. Pero naka-AFK lang siya most of the time. I was not able to do boss hunt. Yun. So, currently, I'm at GR 72021. Kakapalit ko ng to. Yung mga enhance is bumaba siya. Parang 70 to 100 na ata or near that. So, currently, I have 214 ACC, damage 89, attack speed 81, def is 177. Without boost, lahat yan. Just the buffs of my character, which is Gracious Light and Brilliance. So, konti na lang. All blue na ako. Dalawa na lang dito sa part na to. Dito, dalawa na lang din. And dito, wala pa akong incense burner. Medyo nag-reset ang insignia. Ayan. Dito, +3 pa din. Medyo hirap mag-enhance ng ng Night Rose. Ito, Night Rose Talisman and Feather Brooch. Medyo masakit-sakit yan. Yun lang for this update. Sana may na-gets kayo or may natutunan man lang. Makita na lang natin is yung always don't forget yung mga na-purchase sa gold shop para sa mga F2P katulad natin. Joke. Tsaka always maximize your daily quest, also your main quest, side quest, and daily quest as I've said. Main quest ko is 34-2. Baka naman may pwedeng sabayan dyan. Yun, medyo masakit yung mobs dito. Sa side quest ko is yung 23-1. No, I think sige, oo, 23-1 tayo. Pinakamababa. Pero nakuha ko na yata iba or 21-1 pala. Nakuha ko na yung iba dyan. Yung iba hindi ko muna kinukuha. Tinatapos ko muna kasi medyo na-OC ako sa right side. So yun, thank you so much for watching the video and please do like and share my page if you want. And see you on my next video and update. This is me again, Erica, your SSS streamer. 0205 #0782 the streamer code. Now signing off. Thank you. Have a great day.